lead is taken by Compelled to Lead, followed by Unequaled on the outside Magisterium, and Walk the Talk, and bringing up the rear is Douglas Pride. And as they leave the straight, it is still Compelled to Lead in the lead, followed by Unequaled in second. And heading for the backstretch, it's still Compelled to Lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Unequaled in second. And running in third is Magisterium, and Walk the Talk by the rail in fourth. And Douglas Pride is bringing up the rear. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Compelled to Lead by 4.5 lengths, followed by Unequal in second, Magisterium closing in third. And here comes entry number 4, Walk the Talk, and Douglas Pride. Nearing the pattern, it is still Compelled to Lead by 4.5 lengths, followed by Unequal in second. Magisterium remains in third. Moving up on the inside is Walk the Talk, and Douglas Pride. Rounding the pattern, is still Compelled to Lead, followed by Unequal now moving up on the outside. Is Compelled to Lead, Unequal moving up on the outside to grab the lead. It is now Unequal in the lead, followed by Compelled to Lead. Magisterium closing in third, and here comes Walk the Talk on the inside. And into the home stretch, it's now Unequal by 3.5 lengths, followed by Compelled to Lead. Walk the Talk by the rail, and on the outside, Magisterium, Douglas Pride. And into the home stretch, and in the pair of Pride, it is still Unequal, Compelled to Lead, Walk the Talk, and Magisterium. And finally, at the pay-up line, it's Unequaled with Mike Palapul, Compelled to Lead, Magisterium, Walk the Talk, and Douglas Pride.